Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable an IPv6 address on Cudy AX1800. Let's begin. I'm currently on Cudy.net network. You can access this website on any device that is currently connected to your Cudy Wi-Fi. Anyway, we want to head to Advanced Settings and then to IPv6. As you can see here, we can set up an IPv6 internet connection using the information provided by your internet service provider. So you can simply enable that, and now we can choose between few different connection types. Keep in mind though that if you, for example, enable the static, you will have to input a bunch of stuff, which is usually provided once again by your internet service provider. But I can't really show you that because I do not have an internet service provider. But yeah, that's where you can find this option. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.